Welcome, Internet family. We tuned into a new episode of Finessin with Kicks. Today's going to be one of our longest episodes, so I need you to sit back and enjoy the ride. If you cook with me at home, please pay attention, beloved. What up, Internet family? It's your boy Rob Kicks, and it's a brand new episode of Finessin with Kicks. Today we're going to be making Tostones, fried whitened fish, and we're going to call that fish and chips. Let's get this started. First things first, we're going to start off with the Tostones. So we're going to cut green plantain up. Okay, I want you to cut the plantain on each side. Alright, slice it down the middle. Slice it down the middle, but don't cut too deep, because you don't want to break the plantain on. Alright? And if it's too hard to break open, run some water on it, twist it up a little bit, and then crack it up like a Dutch. Alright? You want to get perfect circles. Not too big, not too small. Put that in mixing bowl. Put to the side. Now that we cut our plantains up, we're gonna throw some water in this. Get these joints soaked up. We're gonna throw a little, I'm gonna say a tablespoon of garlic in there. Mix that around real quick, mix it around. And we're gonna set that aside. So these whitened fish are already headed and gutted already. So all we're gonna have to do is fillet them. Oh, got a wild fish. Alright, so now we're gonna clean this fish. So to clean your fish, we're gonna need water and vinegar, okay? Because we don't know what they do in the supermarkets that we buy our fish and our meat at. So we're gonna hit this up with some water. Throw it on a little drip. You know what I mean? Throw a little vinegar in that hole. And you wanna mix it around, alright? Mix it around. Make sure that fish is nice and clean. Checkmate! Alright, let's take that excess water off the thing. You know what I mean? Now let's get to filleting these boys. Alright? So when you cut down the middle of this fish, you're gonna run into a bone. Alright, so what I want you to do, I want you to be careful with the bone, okay? Because you don't want none of it to get stuck or left in there, and then when you bite into your fish later on, you got a whole bone in your mouth. Alright? So be careful. Make sure you're patient on taking that bone out, alright? You see how I'm doing, cracking it up a little bit? I want that bone to loosen up. See, I want you to split it. Split it, keep splitting, alright? And break it down, take that bone out. Alright, try not to get none of the flesh from the fish out. You want to eat that too. Alright, so be careful, okay? And after you cut it down the middle, make sure you take them fins off. Shit, mate! If you're cooking with me at home, feel free to throw some music on. You know what I mean? Throw some Tiana Taylor or some fog, whatever you want to throw in. You know what I mean? Throw that on and get to grooving. I can't do that with y'all today, but eventually I would. Hopefully you're enjoying this coolie beat playing in the background. Alright, pay attention to how I got the fin off of this. You know what I mean? Flick it and then peel it straight off. Alright, so now we're gonna season this fish. We're gonna throw some pepper on it first. Spread it around. We don't want no bland fish. We're gonna add some of our seasonings that we added from earlier. We got pepper, garlic, rosemary, red pepper, all that fun shit. Mix it around. Alright, I want you to mix it up. I want you to grab that flour, you know what I mean? Season that thing up. Shit, mate! Alright, for the flour, we're using all-purpose flour. We're gonna mix some seasoning in it too, because that's important. Gotta season the bread, you know what I mean? So we're gonna add some of this in here. This is gonna be spicy. We got red flakes, we got rosemary. We're gonna add some sazon. We're gonna add some of that on the fish real quick, you know what I mean? another major thing we're gonna do, you're gonna add an egg to it. Now the egg is gonna help us with the breading. So I want you to crack an egg. Add the egg, alright? The egg is important. I mean, get your hands in there, mix it up, and then you wanna mix up that fish with it. Alright? Take that glove off and get to business. Mix this flour up. I'm gonna add some more garlic to the thing. I like mine's a little garlic, but you can add whatever seasoning you want to add to it, alright? Then I want you to get some of that excess egg off of it, and I want you to place your fillets in there. Alright, that's one. Alright, I want you to pay attention here, okay? You drop them fillets in there, but you don't want them to touch, alright? Make sure they drown in that flour. Make sure you get all that breading on that joint, that egg on there. You want this flour to stick. And it's gonna give us a puffy, nice and crispy fillet. Fillet, yeah! Throw the top of that on there. Gonna wash our hands. Shake 'em up, shake 'em up, shake 'em up, shake 'em. Shake 'em up, shake 'em up, shake 'em up, shake 'em. Me? Get our oil on. Gonna drain that out. And then we're gonna dry it with some paper towel. Alright, so while you're doing this, you're getting these dry, I want you to make sure your oil's ready. Put them in order. Alright, while this is happening right here, you got your oil on, you're getting shit situated, and then you're gonna feel ready to fry these joints, alright? You're gonna let this dry for about 30 minutes. The viewers at home, I'm gonna teach y'all a trick. This is how you tell if your oil is ready. Throw some flour in it. If it don't sizzle, it ain't ready yet. Alright, let me see what we got going on here. We got a little bit of sizzle going on. We got a little sizzle going on in there. I think we might be ready. You're gonna throw that in there like that. Drop them in one by one. Alright? Add as many of these to the pot as you can, alright? But don't crowd it. Alright, so we got our fish in the pot, and we're gonna make sure we want our breading and our fish to be crispy. So we're gonna let it sit for a little bit. We wanna keep our eye on it, alright? So I got mine on the level 4 heat. I don't know how your stove at home works. I don't know if it's medium, high, or low, but I say medium, alright? So I want you to grab a plate, throw a little paper towel on it so it can pat it dry. And then I want you to get started on your tostones. Tostones, papi! Dímelo, papi, que lo que? Alright. Look at that fish is looking, baby. Look at that fish is looking, baby. Ay, Dios mío. Ay. Coñazo. Oh, that dog. I woke that bitch up. For the tostones, take that paper towel off that. Grab a few. Like I said before, this is how we tell if our joint ready. If you don't have no flour on hand, I suggest you get some. Throw it on there. It's not sizzling. That ain't ready. Alright? So while we wait for that, fry off the rest of this fish. Hear that sizzle? That's the same sizzle you want. And if you're just watching me at home, I hope you subscribe. Driven TV. Shout out to Driven guys. Shout out CO Visuals. Shout out Rise Visions. Sponsors, this is where you get a shout out. Shout out A3B. Always eating better. Should make. Now we don't want to crowd our pot, alright? And that look like what I'm finna do over here. It look like that's what I'm doing. I mean, so I don't want you to do that. But I'm a professional, so I'm gonna figure it out. I got some space right here, so I'm finna get in where I fit in. Now we're done with that. Let's throw a little flour in there. Alright, that boy seems to be done. Let's get started. I'm gonna wash my hands. So the fish is about done, alright? Now, for the viewers at home, I suggest you do your tostones first, okay? And then work on your fish. Because the fish is always gonna be quicker to cook. For our tostones, we gotta flatten them out, and then we gotta double fry them, okay? So, for everybody at home, start off with these. Why my oil come in like that? Like, yeah, sizzle it up. You know what I mean? Alright, don't get your hands in it. Don't fry the hands. Don't fry the fingers, man. I might have too much oil in my pot. I want you guys to go less oil than this. That's a little bit too much. Listen guys, I want you to stay focused. Stay focused on this. You want to get these crispy first, alright? Get them crispy, and once you feel that they're crispy, then I want you to take them off. And then we go flat. Get the sneakers. Get the sneakers, baby. This Finessin with kicks. You shit, mate? What we got? These the Air Max Plus right here. TNs. Got my winter socks on it, don't cut my ass. I want your fish to look just like this when you're done, alright? Nice and crispy. Oh my god. Hold on. On to these plans. Ooh, that chicken. Ooh, that fish is spicy. I don't want y'all to put y'all fingers in there, man. I done got burned a zillion times, so I don't want y'all to go do that, man. I'm a professional at this, alright? Let me get burned. For you, I want you to be as safe as possible when you're at home doing this. I want you to keep your eye on this fish, okay? Keep your eye on your fish. You don't want that to burn. You don't want none of that. No bad vibes on your fish. Shit me? we're gonna get started with these tostones. So what I want you guys to do, be extra careful. Get that kitchen towel, grab the arm of this, and take these out. You want them this crunchy, all right? Now from here, we're gonna flatten them out, and we're gonna refry them again. All right, feel me? I feel like I'm in a Chinese spot. I mean, taking these joints off. All right, make sure you're careful though. Now we're gonna flatten out these tostones, okay? Put one hand like this, and one hand over that, squeeze it out, all right? Just squeeze it out. Grab one of these tops to one of your Tupperwares and get to smashing. Flatten them out, okay? Keep flattening them out. You want even pressure on them, okay? Alright, so after we flatten them out, I'm gonna place it back into this oil, okay? Turn it up. Turn that hoe up. Keep dropping them in. Feel me? So yeah, pull that pot up. This is a major part right here, okay? Add that garlic to the bottom of that paper towel, okay? And then throw your plantains on there, okay? Then throw more garlic on top, and that's how we season them, okay? Let's get on to plating these things up. Shit, me! So what I want to do, I'm gonna line these joints up in the middle. I'll plate it up like that. There you got it. Fish on chips. I'm gonna dig in. Give me a little piece of fish. Got me a little tortone. I'm not throwing no condiments on my joint today. You know? I need this like this. Plain. Alright? Finesse. I done did it again. Thank you for watching another episode of Finesse with Kicks. I appreciate you spending your time with me. And as always, please like, comment, and subscribe. And please stay tuned for next week, okay? I want to give a special shout out to my man Cooley Do That Again at CooleyB on Instagram. Make sure y'all follow him. And thank you for all the subscribers who have already subscribed. Please like, comment, and share the videos too. Share the videos. 1 share, 2 shares. It all helps at the end of the day. And if you haven't watched the latest episodes of Finessin with Kicks, please catch up. We got the first episode is burgers, second episode is smoothies, and also catch up on our content on Driven TV. I appreciate y'all. See y'all next week.